What is up, you guys? We've got another episode of our Pokemon FireRed Let's Play. I'm Jared with Delta Gaming, and last time we went and explored around Fuchsia City. We got some leads on what we needed to accomplish. We went to the Safari Zone, managed to explore a great deal of it until we realized that we really needed Surf, right, to finish exploring everything. In order to which we got Surf, but we found out that, well, we needed the badge in order to use it. So, we come back, made a new change to our team, swapped out Primate for Execute, and unfortunately, we're not going to be able to train Execute in this gym because it is a Poison-type gym, which would be super effective against our Grass type, so that probably would not turn out the best. So, we're going to just go in, and let's see if we can take it down. Okay, then. Well, oh, that's right. This one's got the invisible walls, don't it? Yes. Hello. Let's see you beat my special techniques. Who's a ninja? Okay, this guy's not a ninja. He's a juggler. Alright. Never mind then. And that's not a poison type either. That's a psychic type. Well. Aren't I just mistaken today? Let's see how much a surf does. Not that much. Meditate. Uh-oh. Twister. The damage. We like to flinch. Now Dragon Rage. Sure, he's got less than 40 HP left. And he does. Thank you. Godabra. They are pretty high level. Not gonna lie. You are correct, sir. Skadoosh. Another one. No, it's special, so I should still be good. Skadoosh. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Strength isn't the key for Pokemon. Do you understand this? Pokemon is about strategy. I'll show you how strategy can beat brute strength. I like it. But what happens if they have both? What? I swear this is a poison type gym. Yet every mon that I fought has been a psychic. That did not do enough, and now I'm poisoned. Ha 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 ha. What I tell you? Oh, strategy. You ain't ready. That's gonna do a lot. Yep. But I got the old lefties on. Let's go, baby. It's not gonna save me from another one. But you're dead, so goodbye. Sayonara. Peace. Oh, extraordinary. Thank you. I was a magician once upon a time, but I dreamt of becoming a ninja, so I joined this gym. Okay, so see, I'm not wrong about everything. This is a ninja gym. It's just that nobody's ninjas. Okay, then. Now, I would very much like to two-hit KO these guys without using Dragon Rage. Is it possible? Apparently so. Come on, leftovers. Trigger. Are you not going to trigger? Isn't that sad? Oh, I did. Whew. Slam again. Crit. Nope, but that's a two-hit KO. With Slam plus, I think, Surf would probably kill, but I think Twister's probably a better chance. Yeah, okay. So, well, that was a crit. I'm gonna try again. Slam plus Twister. See if that gets the KO. Come on now. Ha! He's faster than me? Wow. We had the opportunity. Dragon in, and you just missed it. Oh, we get it again. Come on. Thank you. That had been crit. No crit. Oh. That's interesting. That is interesting. Look at the lefties coming in clutch. I'm getting there. I'm getting close to being full. This lad just healed me. That's all he did. That's all he did. Poor old Koga. Twister. Let's go, baby. He lived, but the flinch. Oh. You hate to see it, but you love it at the same time. Twister. Now gain me this level. Thank you. Now guess what that means? Now we get to swap. Yeah, buddy. Oh. It's time for the big guy. Let's go, baby. They're not ready for these flamethrowers, boys. Arbok, finally. Some flipping poison types. Oh, the Intimidate. Bless them. Goodbye. I pressed the win button. Thank you. So busted. Sand Slash. Yes, I would like to switch to Dragonair. Yes. And then I get the healing. Yes. And then I click Surf. Very good. It's just that easy, folks. Yes, I'll switch Pokemon to Charizard. And then I'm going to click the win button again. Okay. Now I'm going to click the win button. Yes, very good. Thank you, Edgar. Very appreciated. Very good. Okay, now. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. Yes. There we go. Hold on. Stop right there. The famed invisible walls of future GM have you frustrated? Well, I mean, not particularly, but maybe a little bit. Okay, Phil. You're going to send in Sand Slash. Fair enough. I'm going to click the win button. And goodbye. It's been a pleasure doing business with you. Or will I switch? No. Unfortunately not. I'm just going to click the win button. It's just a button. See, look. Watch. I click it once. And I click it twice. And then I win. And, he lived and then missed. Isn't that just unfortunate? Goodbye. You gotta love the win button. Now, let's get to Koga. Oh, wait. I thought I battled you already. Oh, man. Goodbye. Gotta love the win button, though. Oh, oof. Oof. But the Charizard's gonna take the Psychic like a man, though. Goodbye. Range was acquired. Why do they choose to live that? I mean, they live it on a sliver and then either miss or just get burned. Like, just stop. Just faint. Faint. Just faint. Oh, he took it. Oh, but then he missed. See what I say? See what I'm saying? It's just not worth it. They live it. They get so scared. They just can't use anything. They're paralyzed with fear. Yes, I'm more skilled than you thought. Now, let me fight the gym leader. Thank you. Listen here. Thank you. Okay, now this is starting to get a little bit annoying. Ah. If you only knew, Koga. Whoa! A mere child like you dares to challenge me? The very idea makes me shiver with mirth. Very well, I shall show you true terror as a ninja master. Poison brings steady doom. Sleep renders foes helpless. Despair to the creeping horror of poison-type Pokemon. Alright. Oh my goodness, coughing. Whatever shall I do? I have 8 of these. Goodbye. When you have the win button. Mark. Send in Mark. Flamethrower. This will probably take a couple. Or not. I don't want to waste that. I'm going to see how much a wing attack does. Okay. Don't you dare. Now I'm going to hit him with a flamethrower. Or not. Sludge. Ay, ay, ay. I mean, I'm not so sure what I was expecting. But he's gone. Whoop-bye. Now, let's see what he's sending out. Maybe I'm going to send in something else. Coughing. Yes, I'll change. Send in Jolteon. See what Jolteon can do here. Thunderbolt. Oh. Zap. And that did enough. Alright. Wheezing. Oh my. That's a few levels ahead of me. But I'm a quick boy. Fast like lightning. And that's 2-hit KO. You better get more. Oh, I win. Bye-bye. Well, bye. It's easy. That is 8 levels ahead of me. 8 levels. Pin missile. Yes. Get rid of double kick. I like having quick attack over double kick because quick attack has priority. Thank you. You've proven your worth. Here, take the soul badge. You got 4,300 in you. Now that you have the soul badge, The defense of your Pokemon rises. It also lets you surf outside of battle. Ah, take this too. We received TM06. Yeah, sealed within that TM06 lies Toxic. It is a secret technique dating back some 400 years. Thank you, so you know how to poison people. Oh, not like this. Oh, not like this. Get me out of here. My Charizard's gonna die. Not like this. Not like this. Go, 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 go. Is he gonna make it? Oh, he made it. Whew. Thank you. Very good. Now, we can use Surf and we can use, wait. You there. Oh, well, I was trying to tell you. Your lady friend's in there. She's in the Safari Zone. Now, let's try to finish exploring the good old Safari Zone best we can here. And that'll be how we probably finish up this episode. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wait. Yes. Oh, this is going to take a lot longer than I thought it was, isn't it? Where are we even at right now? It's a Rhyhorn. Oh, okay then, buddy. What's this way? This is the item that we was trying to get to the last time. Now that was quite a bit quicker now, wasn't it? And I bet that takes us over there to the... Yes. Using bait, yes. You hiked a lot, but didn't see any Pokemon you wanted. Well, boo-hoo to you, too. So if I click on this, this is gonna... I bet it's gonna take me over to that secret house. Yes. Yes, it will indeed. So now we are all the way... I mean, just look. I mean, we are way ahead of the pack here. This just takes us... Yeah. All this does is it takes us over there. We went and done that. So this is the only place we haven't been to, I'm pretty sure. Whoa. Nidoran. Oh wait, there's nothing here. It's blank. There's nothing here. Well, foot. Let's see. So that's, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's everything now that I'm thinking about it. Let's check this real quick. Make sure there's no areas over here that we need to surf on. Execute. Goodbye. Hello? Is there a water Pokemon? Hello? Yes. What other Pokemon? That's a Psyduck. Hello, Psyduck. Bait. Throw some bait. Throw a ball. Throw another ball. Throw another ball. Throw another ball. Come on now, Psyduck. Be a good lad. Ay, ay, ay. Watching again. Throw some bait. Ay. Okay, let's finish this up. I've already been up here. What am I doing? I've explored everything now. I am pretty positive. So I'm gonna try to get some water types. I said I was gonna try to get some water types. You again. Throw some bait. Throw a ball. Come on now. Come on now, Psyduck. Ay, ay, ay. We had such good luck. I'm not even gonna bother throwing any more bait. Come on. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Throw another ball. Just throw them all. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Whoa. Come on, Psyduck, stay in the ball. Stay in the ball, Psyduck. Stay in the ball. Oh. This duck is going to be the end of me. Oh, my days. No more. No more. We're going to finish up our time right here. Hey! Hey! Hey, we need one of those. Those are not like that. I don't want you. I want the other one. Give me the other one. We already have one on YouTube, buddy. Hello. I don't want you. I want the other one, or Rhyhorn, or Chansey. All kinds of stuff. Oi. Nope, don't want you either. Come on. Give me something good here. Come on. Oi. Level 33 though. Hey. There it is. Alright. Well. So, in this episode, we managed to defeat the Fuchsia City Gym. And we finished exploring the rest of the Safari Zone. So in between episodes, I'll probably grind the Safari Zone a little bit more. You know, maybe fish some and do some surfing, try to catch that Psyduck. Maybe a Rhyhorn as well, just to add some more mons to our PC and try to fill out the decks a little bit more. But I may also train just a little bit, try to power up that Execute. And then in the next episode, we'll be hitting up those trainers that we missed and probably hitting up Cycle Road as well, which is going to take us back to Celadon. Yes. And then from Celadon, we'll go to Saffron. And there we have all kinds of stuff to do. All right. So until then, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And you guys stay safe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.